Hello, I'm Nate, a product support specialist at RealityWorks. I'm going to show you how to assemble the fast fluid tower. Begin by taking the two parts of the stand, slide the two pieces together. When you reach to the bottom, take the little black tube spacer here, fold it in half, and stuff it into that little opening in the hole right there. Next, you'll want to assemble the bottle. The collection bottle here, begin by closing off all of the clamps. And then we recommend distilled water. Use a food coloring to simulate the color of urine. Go ahead and remove the cover. And then fill to about 3/4 of the way up. Do not pass the top hose. Go ahead, put the cover back on, and place the collection bottle at the top of the tower.